Okay, shall we start? Yes. Someone please reply. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see, the problem statement is like this. Downside is a wheel in the drawing sheet. Upside will be pinion. We have 20 teeth, 10 millimeter module. Addendum is one module. Okay. So addendum is actually 10 millimeter. So let's start with the PCR of wheel. Each circle of wheel is given by mt by 2. Module is 10, teeth are 20, divided by 2, that will be 100 millimeter. So the first step is locate center of wheel O1 somewhere on the lower part of the drawing sheet. Okay, so this is O1, anywhere in the space, downside, and vertically it should be center of the page or drawing sheet, whatever you are referring. So you have to draw a piece circle. This one is a piece circle of the wheel whose radius is 100 millimeter. How that is obtained? 20 teeth multiplied by 10 module will be 200 divided by 2 because R is mt by 2. So that radius will be 100 millimeter. Is that okay? Please reply yes or no. I'm waiting for your reply. You have to say yes or no. This will be 100 millimeter. So locate O1 as center. Draw a piece circle whose radius is 100 millimeter. Now, upper circle is addendum circle, lower circle is dedendum circle. So, addendum circle will be piece circle plus addendum. Piece circle is 100, addendum is one module is 10 millimeter. So, 100 plus 10, that is the outer circle, which is addendum circle. The radius will be 110 millimeter. Okay, so this is outer circle 110. Piece circle is 100 millimeter, and innermost circle is dedendum circle. How to find dedendum circle radius? So dedendum circle radius is equal to piece circle radius minus dedendum. I repeat, dedendum circle radius is equal to piece circle minus dedendum. Dedendum is equal to 1.5 times module. Module is 10. So dedendum will be 10 into 1.25, that is 12.5. So what you have to do? PCR is 100 minus 12.5. So radius of this will be 87.5 millimeter. Is this okay? I repeat, addendum circle, outer circle will be 110 millimeter. PCR will be 100 millimeter. Dedendum circle radius will be 87.5 millimeter. Okay. Now, the profile is given as arc of circle. So this is a full circle actually. 1, 2, 3 is a full circle. So we have to locate 1, 2, 3. So what do? The center of the circle is given. We have to go back to the statement. See, the circular arc of 60 millimeter radius. Center of curvature lies on a circle of 60 millimeter. So remember 60 millimeter twice. In the drawing sheet, let me enlarge. In the drawing sheet, what do you do? From O1, locate this center. From O1, locate this center at a distance of 60 millimeter. It is given in the problem. Next, from this center, which is C, draw a faint circle of radius 60 millimeter. I repeat, from O1, locate point C at a distance of 60 millimeter. From the center, draw one more circle whose radius is also equal to 60 millimeter. But make sure that this circle or semicircle is drawn as a faint. 60 millimeter, further 60 millimeter from C. Now draw a full circle or half circle or just small portion of the arc. It should be faint. We have got initially three circles: addendum circle, pitch circle and dedendum circle. Do one thing now. This circle, faint circle, will intersect with this inner circle, pitch circle, addendum circle at three locations. So name these points: 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do one thing now. Join center C and 1 with a faint line. Extend up to pitch circle. That will be point P1. Join center C and point number 2 with a faint line. Join center C with point number 3. Come back to this C to 1. Join C to 1, extend up to pitch circle. That will be P1. We have joined C and 2, that itself is P2, pitch point. We have joined C and 3, so locate this P3 on the pitch circle. So remember that P1, P2 and P3 are the points on the pitch circle. Later on what I will do, I am recording the meeting. I will upload this meeting recording to Samruddhi at the end of the lecture, so that you can refer that. Now, we have got 1, 2, 3 as the points. Initially, it was a faint circle. Now, you have to make it thick. 1, 2, 3 is thick or dark. So, this is going to be profile of the tooth of the wheel. 1, 2, 3. Next, we have also got P1, P2, P3. Now, if we talk about the ahead points and lagging points, remember that P1 is leading, 1 is behind, because that is important at later stage for the pinion. 1 P1 is the normal to the profile at point number 1. 2 P2 is a normal, that is a point. 3 P3 is a normal to the profile at point 3. Now, 1 P1 corresponding to 1 P1 for the wheel, the similar points will be 1 dash and P1 dash on the pinion. For 2, we have got 2 dash on the pinion. For P2, we have got P2 dash on the pinion. For 3, we have got 3 dash. For P3, we have got P3 dash. But remember that whatever is the relation between 1 and P1, same is going to be true for the pinion points, 1 dash, P1 dash. What I am saying, P1 is ahead, 1 is lagging behind. Accordingly, for the pinion also, P1 dash will be the leading point, 1 dash will be lagging behind. No issue with 2 P2 because they are coincident. So for the pinion also, 2 dash P2 dash will be coincident. In this case now, if you check, remember that 3 is leading, P3 is lagging. I repeat, P1 is leading, 1 is lagging behind, 2 P2 are same. Now, third point is leading, P3 is lagging behind. Just you remember that. Is somebody waiting in the meeting? Few people were waiting. Now see, those who have joined late, I will be giving you the recording. You may refer that if you are late to join. Because I don't know what happened because I was looking at my presentation. Now see, what is our aim? Our aim is to obtain the profile for the pinion. Like 1, 2, 3 is known for wheel. You have to find out 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash for the pinion. Remember that, assuming that number of teeth on the wheel are say 36, currently the tooth ahead of the drawn tooth is in action. Right now, this profile is silent. This is not transmitting any power. There are tooth ahead of this and lagging behind. 1, 2, 3 is silent now. A tooth ahead of this is transmitting power. It does mean that one is not active point. One will be active when its P1 will be at pitch point. Similarly, 3 is now silent point. 3 will be active when its P3 will be at pitch point. No issue with 2P2. I repeat, 1 will be active when P1 is at pitch point. So what do? Locate in compass 1 P1 distance. 1 P1 distance. With this as center, locate K1. What is K1? K1 is active position of 1. I repeat, measure distance 1 P1 in compass, put center over here, pitch point, mark K1. Similarly, focus on this. Measure P1, put here in the center, locate K1. No issue with 2P2. 2P2 will be at the pitch point, so this will be K2. 3P3, measure this distance in compass, put center at P and locate K3. Remember that K1 and 1 are lying on inner circle. No issue with K2, it is at pitch point. K3 and 3 are lying on the same circle. I hope it is clear to you. What is K1? K1 is active position of 1. So when 1 is at K1, 1 dash will be at also this point. When 2 is at K2, 2 dash will be at this point. When 3 is at this point, 3 dash will be at this point. So do one thing, locate center of pinion. How to locate that? Go back to the problem statement. The number of teeth on pinion are given as 10. So again find out pitch circle radius of pinion. That will be m into t by 2. M is 10, teeth are 10, so by 2. So 10, 10, 100 by 2, that is 50. So what do? Now, from this point, mark point O2 at a distance of 50 millimeter. With O2 as center, draw a pitch circle whose radius is 50 millimeter. Once this is done, with center O2, draw a circle passing through K1. Similarly, with O2 as center, draw a circle passing through K2. K2 is itself is pitch point. So this will be pitch circle. With O2 as center, draw a circle passing through K3. It does mean that a circle passing through K1 is addendum circle of pinion. Pitch circle is clear to you. A circle passing through K3 will be addendum circle of pinion. Now, next part. Remember that next point is you are not able to see point O1. Join O1 to P1. Join O1 to P1, mark this angle theta 1. Let me check if I have got any other drawing. No, this much is the drawing only. Join O1 and P1, mark angle theta 1. Okay. Let us say that this angle is, I don't remember, let's say that it is 29 degree. So take double of 29, that will be 58. You have measured this angle from vertical line. This is, let us say 29. You check your angle. From this vertical line, assume double the angle, which is 58. Draw a faint line. So this angle is double the angle theta 1. This line is going to intersect with the pitch circle at P1 dash. So this will be P1 dash. Similarly, now join point O1 to P2. Initially, you join O1 P1, theta 1 is measured, double the angle is transferred to get P1 dash. Join O1 and P2, measure that angle. Let us say that it is 40 degree, assuming that it is 40 degree. Double of that will be 80 degree. So do one thing, from this vertical line, mark that angle at 80 degree, draw a line at 80 degree, intersection of the line with the pitch circle will be P2 dash. Thirdly, don't join O1 and 3. This is a mistake in the drawing sheet. This should not be done. Join O1 and P3, this point. Let's say that that angle is how much? Let's say that angle is 50 degree. Join O1 and P3. Let's assume that the angle is 50 degree. Take double of that angle. From vertical line, let's say that at 100 degree, this line is drawn. The intersection of this line with the pitch circle is P3 dash. In this way, P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash are obtained. Now, 1 P1 is common normal. It does mean that 1 P1 is equal to 1 dash P1 dash. No issue with 2 P2. 2 dash is already obtained because P2 dash and 2 dash are coinciding. Since 2 P2 are coinciding. So P2 dash means 2 dash is obtained. Thirdly, 3 P3 is equal to 3 dash P3 dash. I repeat, 1 P1 is equal to 1 dash P1 dash. I'm sorry. 1 P1 is equal to 1 dash P1 dash. 2 P2 means 2 dash P2 dash. 2 dash is already obtained. It is coinciding with P2 dash. 3 P3 is equal to 3 dash P3 dash. You have to write somewhere here. 1 P1 is equal to 1 dash P1 dash. 2 P2 is 2 dash P2 dash. 3 P3 is equal to 3 dash P3 dash. Now do one thing. Take in compass 1 P1. Remember that P1 is leading, 1 is lagging behind. Accordingly, for the pinion also, P1 dash will be leading, 1 dash will be lagging behind. So measure 1 P1 in compass. P1 dash is known. Mark 1 dash by drawing faint arc. Remember that when you put your compass at P1 dash and with this much as distance 1 P1, the semicircle will give you 2 points. One of the points will be here and you have to take the lagging point because P1 dash is leading. In this way, 1 dash is obtained. Where to obtain 1 dash? 1 dash is to be obtained on the outer circle which is passing through K1. 2 dash is already obtained. Mark in compass, in fact, measure in compass 3 P3. P3 dash is known. Remember that 3 is leading. So again, when you mark the center P3, take in compass this much distance 3 P3, you will get 2 points. One will be over there lagging behind, other will be leader. Since 3 is leader, 3 dash will be leader. In this way, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash are marked on circle passing through K1, K2, K3, joined with a smooth curve. Now, any problem with this or any query that is to be solved, make your videos on All of you start your videos. I want to interact with you. आपापले व्हिडिओ स्टार्ट करा. आता आपल्याला डिस्कशन करायचं आहे. Are you able to hear what I am saying? समृद्धी,
येस सर.
स्टार्ट.
सर
हा,
क्लिअर आहे सगळं.
काय आहे?
कळालं सगळं.
बरं, बाकीचं अजून काही डाऊट आहे का कोणाला? प्लीज डिस्कस विथ मी. एनी प्रॉब्लेम विथ धिस?
Sir, one doubt was there.
हा, बोला.
3 dash जो पॉइंट आहे तो सर पेनियनच्या डिडम सर्कलवर येणार ना?
वेट, तुम्ही स्क्रीन बघू शकता माझी? हा,
हो.
एक लक्षात घ्या, O2 पासून आपल्याला फर्स्ट जो सर्कल आहे दॅट विल बी पासिंग थ्रू K1. ओके, असा मी सर्कल, आय एम सॉरी, विथ O2 एस सेंटर K1 पासून एक सर्कल काढला पेंट, त्याच्यावरती 1 डॅश येईल. 2 डॅश जो आहे तो ह्या पी सर्कल वरती येईल. 3 डॅश जो आहे त्यासाठी यू हॅव टू ड्रॉ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू K3. सो दिस विल बी अ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू K3. सो व्हॉट यू आर सेइंग इज राईट. 3 डॅश विल बी लाइंग ऑन अ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू K3. Any other doubt?
Okay, sir. No other doubt.
Anything else you want to discuss with me? Are your doubts solved today? We have got 5 minutes. We can discuss. If the doubts are clear, you may leave. If any doubt is there, we can discuss.
थँक्यू सर.
Okay, thank you. Welcome.
थँक्यू.
Yes.